Hi guys, so I am just here with a quick tips and tricks video for you guys. For anybody who uses a lot of lace, or this would probably work with washi tape, but this for me is lace and ribbon. This is the shelf, the underside of the shelf above my desk, where, make you a bit seasick, where I film. So that's where I film. I'm using my spare tripod. So, and yeah, there is the fabulous poster that Tracie Fox made for her Foxy Crafters group this year. Yeah, I just printed it out onto A3, not A5, A3 paper when we had the big A3 printer, and it sits there above my desk. But anyway, yeah, so there we go, guys. As I use these three quite a lot, but don't really have anywhere to keep them on my desk or to hand, I made a makeshift little holder. And it is literally just 2 pins, a bit of twine, a pencil, and some rubber bands. Now, I did want to put it on a hook so that I could just hook it on and hook it off, but we don't have any currently. So I did just pop it on a pin, on 2 pins, should I say. So we'll just take them off. I will re-angle you in a second. Oh my gosh, can you hear that rain? Right, I'm just going to probably make you a little seasick now. No, I'll put you on pause and put you in the other tripod, it'll be easy. Okay, so there you go, you're in the normal filming tripod now. But yeah, so as I said, this is just a pencil and some rubber band and some twine. So I was going to use like a little wooden dowel, that would work, but I don't have one to hand. So, but yeah, do you know, the band's on there, that good, I can't get it off. And all I did was just put a normal rubber band on there, some twine that I looped through, you know, like we do with tags, just to keep it on there. But that just comes off easily, and then, you know, there's that one, there's that one, there's that one. Same on the other end, and it's just a pencil that hasn't been sharpened at either end. But yeah, so I've popped them on, should I say. I also did it the way that they open downwards, you know, so instead of having one open upwards and one fall that way, they all go that way. I'm not sure if that made sense, but yeah. And then, as I said, just a bit of twine, tied a knot in one end, and then put it around there and loop it through like we do when we are doing tabs on top of tags, that sort of thing. I'm going to do it that way because I'm really fussy about how it looks. And then I just put a rubber band on the end to stop that from coming off, from falling off, sliding off, should I say. So it goes that way, I think. Yep. And then, like I say, just looped it round as many times as it did go. Oh, I snapped it. Well, that were clever, weren't it? Well, let's grab another one. Mind you, in fairness, these rubber bands are about 15-year-old. But yeah, I'll just do one more time. My gosh, that rain is horrible. Can you hear it, guys? Yep, so I just looped it through there to the end. Give it space. There's room on there for another one as well. And there you go. And then, like I said, this is where hooks under the shelf would be useful, but I don't have any. I do actually, we have loads, but I cannot find them, so I will transfer you back over to the other tripod. Okay, so you're back. But yeah, so as that pin is already in there, I'll just loop that back through it. put that back around it and push it up, and then there it is. Find the hole for this one there and pop that up as well, making sure that's nice and secure. It's nowhere near straight, but I'm not bothered about that. You know, it's only a makeshift thing anyway. But there we go. Right above the desk, out of the way, but still really useful and handy to get a hold of. And then just take the pin out and then pull it down to wherever I want it. You know, measure with a ruler or whatever. And then pop the pin back in. And likewise with this one, and the same with that one. And yeah, so they're just there, out of the way, but still accessible, very useful. And yeah, there you go. And like I said, there is even room on there for something else. If I had some smaller bands, there'd be room for maybe 2 more. But I'm happy enough with that. So I just thought I'd pop on and quickly show you, just to give you, like I said, a tips and tricks. So hopefully you may find this useful. If you have something similar that you do with yours, let me know. As I said, it would be a lot more useful with a hook, because then I could just hook that on and off. I will find them at some stage, and if I can't find them, I'll buy some more. We have a box full of them somewhere. But yeah, so... But in the meantime, just pop that around like that. I'll straighten it up later. Actually, that has straightened it up a little bit, so that's handy. But yeah, so it'll do. I mean, it's only my work, you know, my studio, my workspace. I'm not bothered whether it looks all fancy or not. It's useful, you know, practical, a makeshift, which is even more cool. But yeah, so like I said, I hope you guys find it very useful if you maybe wanting some kind of storage for yourselves. But yeah, so, or if you have any other ideas and tips and tricks of your own, please let us know. And yeah, so thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you all again very soon.